Target steel! No!
Hit him! Fire!
Missiles out. Danger close.
He's running. Move!
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Hold fire! Not see, I've been injured. Medical officer Ratchet. I'm a friend. I'm an Autobot.
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. Sympathy for me.
What's wrong with you humans? No, please.
He's mine now. Lockdown. Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime? Never. Never is.